In Terrain Builder 3.6 we rebuild text system for map points. Let's check it. Press Create Point button. Now switch to the point type text. Let's change text fields. Of course you can change all main text settings for every point. Now create new point and check new spline system. Change text parameters. Let's create some complex aerial path between 2 points. Now this is much easier to accomplish. Open the points route folder and drop our point into the free slots. Animate path and you will see interesting curve shape. You can change the positions of the points at any time, and everything will works perfectly. Of course you can change this curve path using special editor. If you want to create straight line, just change height parameter. Thanks for watching.